In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Microsoft Teams chat. If you want to cross out part of a message in Teams, maybe to show that something has changed or to add a quick visual edit, the easiest way to do it is with the built-in formatting toolbar. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser, depending on how you usually access it. Once Teams is open, go to the chat section and open the conversation where you want to send your message. Make sure you're inside the correct chat before you start typing, especially if you're switching between multiple conversations. Next, look just below the message box for the format icon. This is the icon that looks like an A with a pencil. Click that icon to expand the full formatting toolbar. This toolbar gives you more text editing options than the standard chat box, and that's where the strike-through feature is located. Now type the text you want to send, or if you've already typed your message, highlight the specific word or phrase you want to strike through. This is helpful if you only want to cross out part of the message instead of the entire sentence. Taking a second to select the exact text will help you avoid formatting the wrong section. After that, go to the formatting toolbar and click the strike through option. As soon as you do, the selected text should appear with a line through it. If you type the text first and then applied the formatting, you'll see the change immediately, which makes it easy to confirm that it worked before sending your message. Once everything looks the way you want, click send. Your message will be posted in the chat with the strike-through formatting applied. A quick tip before you finish: it's always a good idea to preview your message before sending, especially if you're combining strike-through with other formatting. That way you can make sure the message is still clear and easy for the other person to read, and that's all it takes to strike through text in Microsoft Teams chat using the formatting toolbar. It's a simple feature, but it can make your messages much clearer when you want to show edits, corrections, or items that are no longer relevant.